MO energy level diagram for heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Now first see heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Hetero means different. Now heteronuclear diatomic molecule, for example, carbon and oxygen react with each other, then it gives carbon monoxide. Homonuclear diatomic molecule means two same element combine with each other, they are called as homonuclear diatomic molecule. For example, oxygen. Oxygen plus oxygen, it gives O2. O2 molecule are called as homonuclear diatomic molecule. CO is called as heteronuclear diatomic molecule. Now, heteronuclear diatomic molecule, in this syllabus we will study about carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, HCl, HF. Now first see heteronuclear diatomic molecule carbon monoxide. Carbon and oxygen react with each other, then it gives carbon monoxide. Here carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6, hence electron configuration becomes 1s2 2s2 2p2. Then oxygen, atomic number of oxygen is 8, 1s2 2s2 2p4. In carbon and oxygen, in which first cell contains 2 electrons, these are inner inside, such type of atomic orbital do not take part in bonding, while outermost cell contains 2s2 2p2, 2s2 2p4, such type of atomic orbital take part in bonding. But in heteronuclear diatomic molecule, in which the energy level is not same, electropositive elements, their atomic orbital are shown at the higher side, while electronegative elements, they are slightly to show lower side. Means 2s orbital are shown at the slightly higher side and 2s orbital are shown at the lower side. Here see 2p orbital are shown at the higher side and 2p orbital are shown at the lower side. Electronegative element oxygen, is oxygen shown at the lower side, while carbon shown at the higher side, slightly higher side. This is MO energy level diagram for carbon monoxide. Now see, in carbon and oxygen, in which first cell contains 2 electrons, these are inner inside, such type of electron do not take part in bonding, while outermost cell contains 2s2 2p orbital take part in bonding. Hence we know about ss orbital overlap with each other. When the sign of atomic orbital are same, then density of nucleus increases, such type of molecular orbital are shown at the bonding molecular orbital, while ss orbital, their sign is different, such type of atomic orbital do not mix with each other, they are called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. Node is formed in between two atomic orbitals. We have already studied about LCO principle. Now see LCO principle. This is LCO principle. SS orbital, these 2s from carbon and these 2s from oxygen. SS orbital, their sign is same, plus and plus. Such type of atomic orbital do not mix with each other, mix with each other, then density of nucleus increases, they are called as bonding molecular orbital. While plus and minus, this is from carbon and this is from oxygen 2s. Plus minus, they do not mix with each other, only they close with each other. Node is formed in between two atomic orbital, they are called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. And p orbital contains carbon and oxygen, p orbital contains 2px, py, pz. First see px, these px from carbon and these px from oxygen, same sign here, same sign, minus plus, minus plus and minus, plus react with each other. Here plus react with each other, then density of nucleus increases, the atomic orbitals are present on the axis, such type of atomic orbital overlap with each other, then it gives bonding molecular orbital. while antibonding molecular orbital plus and minus, here minus and this is plus, minus and plus, such type of atomic orbital do not mix with each other. Node is formed in between two atomic orbital, they are called as bonding molecular orbital, antibonding molecular orbital. In the MO energy level diagram, such type of molecular orbital are shown at the higher side. Then py and pz atomic orbital. Py and pz atomic orbital are perpendicular to the axis. Py or pz from carbon, this is carbon, and py and pz atomic orbital from oxygen. They are perpendicular to the axis, hence pi bond is formed. When their sign is same, plus minus, these plus react with each other, then density of nucleus increases. Minus react with each other, then density of nucleus increases. Such type of molecular orbitals are called as bonding molecular orbital. Pi bond is formed. Px orbital overlap with each other, sigma bond is formed. SS orbital overlap with each other, sigma bond is formed because they are present on the axis, while such type of atomic orbitals are perpendicular to the axis. Now then different sign of atomic orbital, plus minus, plus, such type of atomic orbital do not mix with each other, do not get increases density of nucleus. They are called as antibonding molecular orbital, py or pz. And these antibonding molecular orbital in MO energy level diagram, they are shown at the higher level. Now see MO energy level diagram for carbon monoxide, or they are also called as carbonyl, carbon monoxide. Now carbon in which 1s2 2s2 2p2, while oxygen 1s2 2s2 2p4. The SS atomic orbital of carbon shown at this side, atomic orbital of oxygen are shown at this side. These carbon and oxygen react with each other, then it gives molecular orbitals. SS orbital overlap with each other, their sign is same, bonding molecular orbitals are formed, they are shown at the lower side. एक मिनट. Now SS orbital overlap with each other, then it gives bonding molecular orbitals. In carbon monoxide, sorry for disturbing, in carbon monoxide in which SS orbital overlap with each other, then bonding antibonding molecular orbitals are formed, while p orbital contains px py pz. Px atomic orbital overlap with each other, then bonding molecular orbital as well as antibonding molecular are formed. While py pz atomic orbital overlap with each other, then bonding anti-bonding molecular orbitals are formed. Their sign is same. Such type of atomic orbital are called as bonding. While sign is different, they are called as anti-bonding molecular orbitals. In carbon monoxide, in which when we compare homonuclear diatomic molecule and heteronuclear diatomic molecule, there is slightly difference between homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic molecule in MO. For MO diagram, these S are shown at the higher side, these S are slightly shown at the lower side. These p orbital are slightly shown at the higher side, p orbital slightly shown at the lower side. Now s orbital, in s orbital overlap with each other. S orbital contains 2 electrons. Here carbon contains 2 electron and oxygen contains 2 electron, means total 4 electron. These 4 electron enter with the help of Abbo's principle and Hund's rule. 1 2 3 4. While p orbital, in oxygen, p orbital contains 4 electrons and carbon, in which 2 electrons, means total 6 electron. 4 plus 2, 6 electron. 6 electron enter with the help of Hund's rule and Abbo's principle. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Carbon and oxygen react with each other, then it gives pi 2py contains 2 and pi 2pz contains 2 electrons. Sigma 2px contains 2 electrons. Now p orbital and carbon p orbital and oxygen p orbital, total 6 electrons are present. One rule for heteronuclear diatomic molecule: why such type of molecular orbitals pi y and pi z are shown at the lower level and sigma 2px are shown at the higher level? Main reason for this molecular orbital. Now oxygen and carbon, these are same element, different elements. Carbon monoxide is isoelectronic with each other. Isoelectronic means, you know about MO energy level diagram for oxygen O2 and N2. These two molecular orbitals diagrams are different. Now carbon monoxide, this diagram is same as N2 molecule, because carbon monoxide is isoelectronic with nitrogen molecule. Isoelectronic means same atom, same number of electron or proton. Now carbon oxygen, carbon atomic number 6 and oxygen atomic number 8, it gives 14. Thus nitrogen 7, another nitrogen 7, it gives 14 electrons. Hence carbon monoxide is isoelectronic with nitrogen. This MO energy level diagram of carbon monoxide is same as nitrogen molecule. We have studied about nitrogen molecule. Now see nitrogen molecule. This is nitrogen molecule. Now this is nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen contains nitrogen atomic number 7 and electron configuration 1s2 2s2 2p3 1s2 2s2 2p3. One first cell contains 2 electrons. These do not take part bonding. SS orbital overlap with each other. This is 2s. SS orbital overlap with each other. Sigma 2s bonding, sigma star 2s anti-bonding. Py pz, px py pz, px py pz, pi py lower side, sigma 2 px higher side, pi star 2 py, pi star 2 pz this side and sigma star 2px at the top. Now these two atomic orbital, these pi 2pi at the lower side, sigma 2px at the higher side. Now in oxygen, in which this sigma 2px at the lower side in oxygen molecule and pi 2py at this side, while in nitrogen molecule, in which sigma 2px at the higher side and pi 2py pi 2pz as the lower side. This is MO energy level diagram, difference between MO energy level diagram nitrogen and oxygen molecule. Nitrogen molecule and carbon monoxide molecule is isoelectronic with each other. Isoelectronic means same electrons are present in N2 molecule as well as CO2 molecule. CO carbon 6, oxygen 8, it gives 14, nitrogen 7, another nitrogen 7, it gives 14. Hence nitrogen molecule is isoelectronic with carbon monoxide. Then MO energy level diagram for CO molecule is same as carbon monoxide. Then electron enter with the help of Abbo's principle and Hund's rule. Here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, pi 2py 4 electrons, pi 2 sigma 2px contains 2 electron. Then calculate bond order. Bond order, we know about bond order. Bond order formula, half into number of electron present in bonding minus number of electron present in anti-bonding. Bonding contains total 8 electrons, 2 plus 2 without star, and anti-bonding contains only 2, here electrons are absent. Hence 8 minus 2, answer is 3. Hence carbon monoxide contains 3 covalent bond. Then stabilization energy. Stabilization energy means number of stabilization energy is calculated with the help of formula number of electron present in bonding minus into minus beta plus number of electron present in anti-bonding into plus beta. Hence minus 8 8 into minus beta, 8 into minus beta plus 2 into plus beta, then answer is minus 6 beta. This is stabilization energy. And second last point, magnetic property. In molecular orbital in which paired electrons are present, hence magnetic property of carbon monoxide diamagnetic in nature. And last point, MO electron configuration. MO electron configuration is written as KK. Sigma 2s contains 2, sigma star 2s contains 2, pi 2py pi 2pz contains 4, and sigma 2px contains 2. This is MO electron configuration. आता याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला अगदी सोप्या भाषेत मी तुम्हाला सांगतो MO एनर्जी लेवल डायग्राम फॉर कार्बन मोनॉक्साईड. कार्बन मोनॉक्साईड मॉलिक्यूल कसा फॉर्म झालेला आहे, तर एक कार्बन आणि ऑक्सिजन एकमेकाला रिॲक्ट झालेले आहेत.